Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, that we have already started with exercise 11.1 and we have done up to question number 7 as well. So today we are going to start the next questions of the same exercise, that is exercise 11.1. Okay, so till now we have done the addition and the subtraction of the measurement of capacity, and today we are going to start with the statement sums of the measurement of capacity. Okay, so let's begin with the question number 8, that is, okay, let me just write down the exercise number, that is exercise 11.1. okay, and sorry in advance for my voice and my look, because I'm not feeling well at all. I'm suffering with fever and all, so that's why my voice is a little bit low, so try to cooperate with me beta. Chaliye, now start with the question number 8. A container has 2550 ml of water. How many liters and milliliter of water is in the container? देखिए एक कंटेनर है, उसमें कितना पानी है? A container has 2550 milliliter, that means ml. A container has 2550 ml of water. How many liters and milliliters of water is in the container? So देखिए जो कंटेनर है उसमें पानी की कैपेसिटी दी हुई है ml में, मतलब मिलीलीटर में. तब आपको बताना है कि वही पानी की कैपेसिटी अगर हम लीटर्स और मिलीलीटर्स में मेजर करेंगे तो कितने लीटर और कितने मिलीलीटर होगा. सो दैट इज 1 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 ml. सो 2550 ml विल इक्वल टू विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय 1000. सो 2550 को अगर हम 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे सो वी कैन इजली गेट द आंसर. ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. That is question, the container has 2550 ml of water. Total water is equal to 2550 ml. This is the total water, this is the total water, that is the capacity of total water. इतना पानी है जो एक कंटेनर के अंदर है. ओके, सो 1 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मिलीलीटर. 1 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मिलीलीटर. 1 लीटर किसके इक्वल होता है? 1000 मिलीलीटर को. सो 2500 मिलीलीटर किसके इक्वल होगा? देखिए 1 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 ml. सो 1 ml इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 1000 लीटर. 1 लीटर 1000 ml के इक्वल है, तो 1 ml किसके इक्वल होगा? 1 अपॉन 1000 लीटर के. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट 2550 ml इज इक्वल टू 2550 divided by 1000. So 2550 को अगर हम 1000 से डिवाइड कर देंगे so we will get the answer. Okay, one thing that आप तो चाहे तो इसको बेटा सिंपली जैसे हम डिवाइड करते हैं वैसे करके देखिए. So let's do the division. 2550 divided by 1000. 1000 twos are 2000, फिर 550, पॉइंट लगा के 0 बढ़ाइए. 5s are 5000, फिर पॉइंट ऑलरेडी लगा हुआ है, फिर एक और 0 बढ़ाइए. 5s are 5000, 500 आ गया, पॉइंट ऑलरेडी लगा हुआ है, फिर 10 अगेन 5s are 5000. So that is 2.555. So that is 2 liter 550 ml. So ये बहुत ही लंबा टाइम हो जाएगा. इट्स अ टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस. सो इसको अवॉइड करने के लिए व्हाट वी कैन डू, ओके, Okay, so just listen very carefully. Okay, in the denominator we are having how many zeros are here? That is 3. हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर में कितनी जीरोस हैं? 3. सो दैट मीन्स पीछे से लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स हटा दीजिए, मतलब लास्ट के 3 डिजिट्स हैं वो हमारे मिलीलीटर हो जाएंगे और आगे वाले लीटर। तो इसके लिए डिवीजन के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, जितने नीचे अगर 10 हो, 100 हो, 1000 हो, 10,000 हो, उस केस में ओनली हम इस चीज को फॉलो करेंगे। ओके, सो देखिए यहाँ पे नीचे हमारे पास 3 जीरोस हैं, तो ऊपर से पीछे से 3 डिजिट हटा के वहां पे पॉइंट लगा दीजिए। सो दैट मीन्स 3 0 1 2 3 यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट लगा देंगे। तो पॉइंट हम यहाँ शो नहीं करेंगे, पॉइंट हम यहाँ शो करेंगे। ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू शो इट, यू आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इट। दैट इज 1000 है, 3 zeros आर हियर, पीछे से 3 डिजिट छोड़ के पॉइंट यहाँ लगाएंगे, दैट इज अप टू 2। सो 2.550 लीटर, या तो हम इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे और यू कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस, दैट इज पॉइंट से पहले लीटर, 2 लीटर 550 milliliter. So you can write it like this also. Okay, so the answer is 2 liter 550 milliliter. So you can write it like this also, beta. Okay, so देखिए the question was the total water was given, that is 2550 ml. Okay, 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1 ml का निकालना है तो उसके लिए 1/1000 करेंगे तो लीटर्स में आएगा। तो वैसे ही हमारे पास ऑलरेडी ml में दिया हुआ, दैट इज 2550, उसको हमें लीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है। सो फॉर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड इट, हम उसको क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड। सो आफ्टर डिवीजन वी गॉट 2.550, दैट इज 2 लीटर 550 मिलीलीटर। ओके, सो दिस इज द आंसर। इसके आगे चाहे तो आप आंसर लिख लीजिए अपना। आंसर 2 liter 550 milliliter. Next is question number 9. Mansi bought 13 liter 250 milliliter milk in the first week and 12 liter 500 milliliter milk in the second week of February. How much milk did she buy in 2 months? So there's a girl whose name is Mansi. She had bought milk in the 2 months. उसने 2 अलग अलग जनवरी और फरवरी में उसने फरवरी के फर्स्ट टू वीक्स में या किसी भी वीक में उसने the Mansi bought first week and okay. So in the first week of the February, the Mansi has bought 13 liter 250 ml of milk. And in the second week, she had bought 12 liter and 500 milliliter milk. Okay, the question is how much milk did she buy in 2 weeks? तो उसने दोनों वीक में, in the first and the second week of the February, उसने टोटल कितना मिल्क खरीदा? That is the question. So let's begin with question number 9. देखिए the question will be milk bought in first week, milk bought in second week, total milk bought in 2 weeks. Okay, so the question will be like this. Question number 9. Milk bought in first week, that is exercise 11.1. okay, so milk bought in the first week is 13 liter 250 milliliter, 13 liter 250 milliliter. Okay, milk bought in second week. सेकेंड वीक में उसने कितना दूध खरीदा? दैट इज 12 लीटर 500 मिलीलीटर. 12 लीटर 500 milliliter. So this is the quantity of milk that she had bought in the second week. So milk bought in first week, that is 13 liter 250 milliliter. Milk bought in second week, that is 12 liter 500 milliliter. Okay. Question क्या था? that how much milk did she buy in 2 weeks? तो उसने दोनों वीक्स में टोटल कितना दूध खरीदा? मिल्क बॉट इन 2 weeks. क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखेंगे? मिल्क बॉट इन 2 weeks. So that we are going to find out by adding the total quantity of milk that has been bought in the first 2 weeks. That is a liter, milliliter. That is 13 liter 250 milliliter, 12 liter 500 milliliter. So let's add it. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5, 7. Okay. 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the total milk bought in 2 weeks is 25 liter 750 milliliter. So this is the statement sum on the solution sentence. Therefore, milk bought in 2 weeks is 25 liter 750 milliliter. So this is the milk quantity of milk that has been bought by the Mansi in the 2 different weeks, that is the first and the second week of February. Okay. So देखिए क्वेश्चन, I'll just repeat it one more time. देखिए क्वेश्चन में क्या था कि एक लड़की है मानसी, उसने फरवरी के फर्स्ट और सेकेंड वीक में डिफरेंट क्वांटिटी का जो दूध खरीदा था. So the milk bought in the first week was given, milk bought in the second week was given. So milk bought in first week was 13 liter 250 milliliter. Milk bought in second week, तो second week में उसने कितना दूध खरीदा? That is 12 liter 500 milliliter. Okay. क्वेश्चन में क्या था? उसने दोनों वीक में मिला के टोटल कितना दूध खरीदा? So the milk bought in the 2 weeks. Milk bought in 2 weeks. So दोनों weeks थे उनमें the total milk that she had bought in these 2 weeks, that can be calculated by adding the milk bought in the first week with the milk bought in the second week. So after adding, we got the answer, that is 25 liters 750 milliliter. Okay. So at last we have written the solution sentence. Therefore, milk bought in 2 weeks is 25 liters 750 milliliter. So this is the answer of question number 9. Okay, you can just pause the video here and write the solution. Okay. चलिए, moving next to the question number 10. Mohini bought 28 liter 250 milliliter petrol for her car in the January 2013 and 53 liter 900 milliliter in the February 2013. How much petrol did she buy in 2 months? तो उसने 2 महीने में टोटल कितना पेट्रोल खरीदा? क्वेश्चन क्या था? मोहिनी इज अ गर्ल, उसने 2013 में जनवरी में कुछ पेट्रोल खरीदा फॉर हर कार, अपनी कार में डलवाया या खरीदा। फरवरी में भी उसने कुछ पेट्रोल खरीदा या अपनी कार में डलवाया। एंड द क्वांटिटी ऑफ द पेट्रोल इज गिवन इन द जनवरी मंथ। शी हैड बॉट पेट्रोल नियर अबाउट 28 liters and 250 milliliter. So 28 liters, 250 milliliter petrol she had bought in the month of January 2013, and in the February 2013 she had bought 53 liter 900 milliliter of petrol. Okay, how much petrol did she buy in 2 months? तो उसने 2 महीने में कितना पेट्रोल खरीदा था? How much petrol did she bought in 2 months? So the petrol she bought in 2 months वो हमें निकालना है. So first of all, just like this we are going to write the petrol bought in January, petrol bought in February, total petrol bought in 2 months. Okay, बिल्कुल इसी की तरह क्वेश्चन है बेटा. We are going to do it. Let's write the statement solution of question number 10. Petrol bought in जनवरी में कितना खरीदा? दैट इज 28 liters 250 milliliter. 28 liter 250 milliliter. Then petrol bought in February. Petrol bought in February, that is petrol bought in February is 53 liters 900 milliliter. 53 liter 900 milliliter. Okay. Okay, let's write it again. February, February. That is 53 liters 900 milliliters. 53 liter 900 milliliter. Next हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? पेट्रोल बॉट इन 2 months. पेट्रोल बॉट इन 2 months. पेट्रोल bought in 2 months. 2 महीने में कितना पेट्रोल खरीदा गया? That we have to calculate, and we can calculate it by just adding the capacity of January and February. Liter milliliter. 28 liter 250 milliliter. 53 liter 900 milliliter. Now let's add it. 0 plus 0 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 9 11. 8 plus 3 11 plus 1, that is 12. 2 is here, 1 will be carried here. 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8. So the total quantity of petrol that she had bought in the month of January and February is 82 liters and 150 milliliters. So at last we are going to write the solution sentence, that is, therefore she had bought 82 liters 150 milliliter of petrol in 2 months. So she had bought 82 liters 150 milliliter of petrol in 2 months. So this is the answer. This is the solution of question number 10 of exercise 11.1. देखिए question क्या दिया था, that the question was given that a girl has bought different quantity of petrol in the month of January and February, okay, for her car, okay, and now that she had bought 28 liters 250 milliliter of petrol in January, 53 liter 900 milliliter of petrol in February, and we have to find the total quantity of petrol that she had bought in the 2 months. Okay, so देखिए question में हमने क्या लिखा, petrol bought in January, that is 28 liters 250 milliliters, petrol bought in February, that is 53 liters 900 milliliter, petrol bought in 2 months, तो 2 महीने में उसने कितना पेट्रोल खरीदा, that we have calculated by adding the petrol bought in the 2 different months, and after adding it we got the answer, that is 82 liters and 150 milliliters. At last we have written the solution sentence, that is she had bought 82 liters 150 milliliter of petrol in 2 months. Okay, so you can just pause the video here and write down the solution of question number 10 of exercise 11.1. Okay, now moving next to the question number 11. Rahim bought 50 liter container of oil. He used 44 liter 300 milliliter of it. How much oil is left? तो now the question is little bit changed. So हमने अभी तक किया उससे. Rahim bought 50 liter container of oil. तो रहीम ने 50 लीटर का एक कंटेनर खरीदा, ऑयल का कंटेनर. तो रहीम हैड बॉट 50 लीटर कंटेनर ऑफ ऑयल. तो उसने ऑयल का 50 लीटर का एक कंटेनर खरीदा, एंड आउट ऑफ दैट 50 लीटर ऑफ ऑयल ही हैज यूज्ड 44 लीटर एंड 300 ml. तो 50 लीटर ऑयल में से उसने 44 लीटर 300 मिलीलीटर ऑफ ऑयल है जो यूज कर लिया. सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज दैट हाउ मच ऑयल इज लेफ्ट विथ, how much oil is now left. So for that we have to subtract. The total quantity of oil is given, that is 50 liter. Oil used is given, that is 44 liter and 300 milliliter. Now the question is how much oil is left. तो कितना oil रह गया, कितना oil बच गया. So let's find it. Okay, so for that I have to erase it. Let's do question number 11 of exercise 11.1. Question is total oil in container is equal to 50 liter. Total oil in container is equal to 50 liter. Oil used, कितना ऑयल उन्होंने यूज कर लिया, that is oil used is 44 liter 300 milliliter. 44 liter 300 milliliter. So the quantity of oil used is 44 liter and 300 milliliter. Now question is how much oil is left. तो कितना ऑयल बच गया. So this is the question. Oil left. Oil left. ये हमें निकालना है. देखिए suppose you are having 10 chocolates and out of that you have written the 8. आपके पास 10 चॉकलेट्स थी, उसमें से आपने 8 चॉकलेट्स खा ली, तो आपके पास बाकी कितनी चॉकलेट्स बची? 2. वो आपने कैसे सोचा? बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द chocolates eaten from the total number of chocolates. So just like that, the total quantity of oil is given, that is 50 liter. So total oil in container is 50 liter. Oil used that is 44 liter 300 milliliter. Oil left, हमें जो बचा हुआ है ऑयल वो बताना है कितना रह गया. So for that we will do the subtraction. Liter milliliter. 50 liter 000 मिलीलीटर. ठीक है, क्योंकि देखिए हमारे पास मिलीलीटर में कुछ नहीं था, बस लीटर 50 था. सो जब हमारे पास मिलीलीटर में कुछ नहीं होता, या 2 होते हैं या 1 होता है, तो हम 0 से वहां पे इसकी जो देखो आपको पता है, आई हैव टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी वेरी मच टाइम दैट in the milliliter there must be 3 digits, but here we are having nothing, so we have put the 3 zeros. So the 50 liters and 000 milliliter. Now subtract, minus कितना करेंगे? The oil used, that is 44 liters and 300 milliliter. So this is the quantity of oil that is used. 44 liters and 300 milliliter, that is the quantity of oil that is used. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0 is again 0. 0 minus 3 possible. यहाँ भी 0, तो यहाँ से लेंगे. That will be 4. It will turn into 10. But when it will give 1 to next number, it will become 9 and it will become 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 4 is 5. Next, 4 minus 4 is 0. So the quantity of oil left is 5 liters 700 milliliters. So this is the quantity of oil that is left in the container. So at last we are going to write the solution sentence. Therefore 5 liter 700 milliliter of oil is left in the container. container. So therefore 5 liter 700 milliliter of oil is left in the container. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 11 of exercise 11.1. देखिए क्वेश्चन क्या था? इन द क्वेश्चन इट वाज गिवन द टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ ऑयल. ओके, द नेम वाज रहीम. सो रहीम है, उसने एक कंटेनर खरीदा ऑयल का, और उस कंटेनर की कैपेसिटी कितनी थी? दैट इज 50. सो दैट मीन्स इन दैट कंटेनर 50 लीटर ऑयल वाज देयर, बट out of that 50 liter oil he has used 44 liter and 300 milliliter. So the oil use is given, that is 44 liter 300 milliliter. So at the last we have to find the quantity of oil left. So the oil left that we have to calculate, and we can calculate it by only by subtracting the oil used from the total quantity of oil. So 50 liter minus 44 liter 300 milliliter. So we have to subtract it. After subtraction we got the answer, that is 5 liter 700 milliliter. At last we have written the statement solution sentence as well. The solution sentence is, therefore 5 liters 700 milliliter of oil is left in the container. So this is the solution of question number 15 of exercise 11.1. Okay. So today we have done, okay, you can just pause the video and write the solution of क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 फ्रॉम हियर. चलिए, so this was our today's session class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a good day.